when drafting the elevation plans in AutoCAD, we need to know or we will use the floor plan. Okay? Another point to remember, plans should be of the same scale. Now, ibig sabihin, kung ang inyong floor plan is, ang scale is 1:100, the elevation drawing scale must also be 1:100. Now, uulitin ko, kung ang scale ng ating floor plans ay 1:100, then ang scale ng ating elevation drawings must also be 1:100. So another important point to remember, so lahat ng horizontal dimensions will be projected from the floor plan. Again, all horizontal dimensions are projected from the floor plan and only vertical dimensions are indicated in the elevation plans. Okay, so for example, ayan, naghahang talaga yung laptop. Then, ang next natin, it is important also that correct settings ng ating working environment ay appropriate. No? So in this case, dapat ay naka-on si auto mode. Yan. So i-click lang natin yung kanyang button sa lower part ng window. Dapat ay naka-on si object snap. Dapat or on din ang object snap tracking natin. And of course, yung ating dynamic input. Okay, so balikan natin yung horizontal dimensions. Ma'am, alin ba yung horizontal dimensions? Okay. So makikita natin yan sa ating floor plan. For example, yung distance between the right and left side of the house. No, or yung width of the house, that is horizontal dimension. Yung depth ng house natin, that is the distance again mula sa harap papunta sa likod ng bahay, yun ay depth. That is also a horizontal dimension. Ang width ng window natin, horizontal dimensions, width of door openings, that is horizontal dimensions. Ma'am, ano naman yung vertical dimensions natin? Okay. So, pataas. Ano, mula sa taas, mula sa baba, papunta sa taas, or pwede din naman na vice versa. Mula sa taas, papunta sa baba. Yun ang vertical dimensions. Let's say, for example, ano yung taas ng floor slab? No, yung inaapakan nyo na semento sa loob ng bahay nyo, that is kung cemented ang bahay nyo, yun ang slab natin na tinatawag. So yung thickness ng floor slab, that is an example of vertical dimension. So another, ano yung taas ng wall natin? Mula sa finished ground line hanggang doon sa floor line ng second floor ng bahay natin. That is also a vertical dimensions. Ayan. Ano? So, let us start now the drafting process. Okay. So, there are strategies, there are ways na pwede natin gamitin para makadraft tayo ng elevation plans. And there is no wrong. No? There is no wrong practice. So, only siguro may mas efficient lang. No? Merong mas madali. Okay, so in this demonstration, I will employ some strategies, but during your hands-on, you may do it your way. No? As long as you will come up doon sa appropriate output, sa accurate output, since in technical drafting, accuracy of the output is a must. Okay, so bakit ba kailangan na tama yung measurement? Dahil dyan naka-base ang construction. So if the measurement is wrong, the constructed structure will be wrong also. And that will be very difficult to correct. Okay, so to start, I will copy first. Ito ang problema, bumabagal na siya. So we will copy first the floor plan. So how? Gamitin lang natin si copy command. Then select natin si object. Ayan. Then, pwede ko siyang damputin dito. And then, ida-drag ko siya. Okay? So, off ko muna si ortho mode natin para madala ko yung aking floor plan. So, place the floor plan doon sa area above your or above the area kung saan nyo iguguhit ang inyong elevation. Again, place the floor plan above the area kung saan nyo iguguhit ang inyong elevation drawing. Okay. And then, ipo-project natin yung ating horizontal dimension. So, in this case, I will project the width of the house gamit yung PL command. Okay. So, dapat yung objects na tracking is on, no? So that mai-align ko yung aking point. Ayan. So, nakikita ba? I hope nakikita yung kulay green. So, yan yung tracking line natin. And then, click. Okay, nag-click na siya. On ko lang ulit si ortho mode. Again, rest ko siya doon. Click again. Okay, then, okay, ayaw niyang mag-object snap. Ayan, so i-snap siya dun sa ibang icon. Try natin here. Ayaw niya talaga. Okay, so wait, nag-hang. Sad. Ayan. Okay, then, pwede ulit ako mag-PL. Snap ko siya doon. Try natin kung mag-work na. Ayun. So, nag-work na siya. Then, enter key ulit. Then, after that, ating i-project yung location ng point natin or ng door opening. So, in this case, ito yung aking gagamitin. Again, yung midpoint ng bintana. Object snap tracking din ang aking ginagamit. So, also here, project ko yung position ng bintana. Yan. So, after that, pwede na natin i-delete. Ano? So, we may erase the floor plan. Okay. So, you see, na-transfer na natin or we already projected the location of doors and windows and then the width of the house. So, after that, we may draw, or by the way, the line or the first line that we created represents the finished ground floor line. Ano? And then, to draw the ground line, I will offset the finished floor line. Offset distance is 400. Enter key, select the object, then direct click and direct, then enter key. So again, ito na yung finished ground line natin and this one is the finished floor line. So after that, we may draw the corner wall. So 400 plus 3,100 and then enter key again to initiate the same command. That is 3,500. So saan nanggaling ang 3,500? 3,100 na height ng wall plus yung slab natin na 400. Okay, then also here, ayan, so ito yung partition wall natin. Height is 3,100, enter key. Then after that, we will draw the doors and windows. Ayan. So, ang standard na sukat ng ating door ay 2.1 by 900. No, yung 900 ang width, 2.1 or 2,100 ang height. Yun ang standard na sukat natin. And for the sake of design, I will divide that into 4 panels. So, how? Rectangle natin, enter key. And then, ang start point natin ay here. And then, the drag lang natin. So, that is 450 yung X value natin. And then, ang ating height is 1,050, enter key. Okay, so nagawa na natin yung first panel natin, offset natin ng 20. So, click natin and click again, enter key. Then, to draw the second panel, okay, I will use mirror command. Select the object, enter key again. Pagkatapos is, okay. So I will place the mirror here and then enter key, mirror again. Okay. And then, dadalahin ko dito yung mirror or ilalagay ko. We are done drafting the door. Now, for Windows naman, yung ating standard measurement ay 6 by 6 ang bawat panel. Okay, so in our first window, the width is 1.2 and the height is 1.2 also. Standard elevation from the floor plan is 1,000 millimeters or 1 meter. So how will I do that? Paano ko siya gagawin? I will use the rectangle command again and then I will use object snap tracking. No, rest lang yung pointer. Pag nag-appear na yung green tracking natin, encode the height of elevation, enter key, and then direct. Width is 600 or yung ating x value. And then, 1,200 ang height ng window. So again, offset. Offset distance is 20, direct towards the center, and then click to draw the other panel, mirror command. I hope ako ay nasusundan. Enter key, and then ilagay lang yung mirror in between. We are done drafting the window. So yung details ng window will be done sa part 2 ng ating lesson. Okay. So next. So we may draw this one using the UCS. Now if easy to calculate yung location ng points using the X and Y value, pwede natin gamitin si UCS. Okay? Ayan. So, ang width ng wall natin is 3,000. And then, yung height of elevation natin is 1,000 plus 600. Kasi ay maiksi lang yung ating bintana here. Okay? Kaya yung height of elevation natin or yung X value natin is, Y value is 1,600. Uulitin ni ma'am. Again, ang X value natin here will be 1,500 at yung ating Y value is 1,600. Okay, so dalahin lang natin si UCS there. Pagkatapos, initiate the rectangle command to specify the first corner point. Again, X value natin is 1,500, specify the Y value, that is the height of elevation, which is 1,600, enter key. So, nag-snap na siya doon sa location na yon. And then, width of the first panel is 600, height is 600, also enter key. Offset distance is 20, and then click direct and click enter key to end. Okay. Pagkatapos niyan, mirror command ulit natin. Okay, and then, saan natin ilalagay yung salamin? Ayan, so dito ulit, sorry po. Okay, so ilalagay natin yung mirror sa gitna and then enter key. Okay, so I hope nasusundan ako. And then after that, draw the line. Ayan. So for floor slab, again, ang second floor natin, pwede natin siyang i-offset. Offset distance is 400. Click natin, direct ababa, and then enter for the sake of the sign. Offset also. And then ang offset distance natin ay 50. Ayan, so 50 and then, sorry, offset, and then 50, and then enter key. Okay. Then after that, ilalagay naman natin yung ating second floor dito sa tapat. Ano? So, copy ulit natin. Okay. And then, dito ko siya dadamputin. And then, after that is, i-align ko siya here. No, align natin. And then, okay. So after that is project again. Now you will project again the dimensions. Now the location of doors and windows. So how? Again, PL, pwedeng etong point na lang yung i-project natin. Create marks. Okay, and then do the same here. Ayan. And then do the same here. Then after na ma-project lahat ng horizontal dimensions, okay, delete lang natin yung ating plan. Okay, now, since they are of the same dimensions, yung entrance door natin, lahat sila ay entrance door. So, pare-pareho lang ang dimensions. So, what do you think is the best command na pwede natin gamitin? Anyone? Melvin. So, ang sukat nito, okay, balik tayo dito. Nakikita ba ako, Melvin? So, ang sukat again. Alright, so anyone, ang sukat ng door na to at door na to ay same lang. So what do you think is the best command para magamit natin ito? Or para ma-create natin yung door here? Anyone? Roniel, are you here?
Yes po.
Yes, okay, Roniel. What do you think is the best command na pwede natin gamitin so that yung or door symbol dito sa part na to ay maiguhit natin?
I think the best command to be used is the copy command.
Very good, Roniel. That is copy command. So, ika-copy na lang natin yung ating pinto. Okay, and then, snap natin dyan. Dito, ganun din. I-snap lang natin. And then, to complete the design, mirror lang ulit. And then, okay, lagay natin. Ayan.